Want to see inside walls, engines, or pipes without the hassle? In this video, we're counting down the best Borescopes and inspection cameras for 2025. From clear visuals to easy handling, these tools help you see the things you just can't reach. Stick around. Your perfect pick might be just seconds away. Number 1. The Depstech DS500. It has a clever dual camera design. One lens looks forward, the other sideways, all packed into a slim probe that's even narrower than the wireless WF028. It costs more than you'd spend for an occasional job, but it handles inspections far better than cheaper models. The sturdy handset and dual lens probe can record, so you won't need to replace it anytime soon. The accessories are solid too. The built-in torch is genuinely useful, and the trigger switch is just fun to use. Drop it? It'll probably survive thanks to its protective lip and tough plastic body. Sure, a direct hit to the screen is risky, but overall the DS500 is a reliable tool, rugged enough for real work and smart enough to help you never lose a screw again. Number 2. The Depstech DS500. Great value for money. Perfect for the occasional DIY job or fishing out lost bits from tight spaces, as long as you're not using an older iPhone. The simple lighting control on the cable is handy, and the adapters are genuinely useful. If I'm picky, the magnet attachment can be tricky. Tiny metal bits are tough to grab, but strong enough to lift a small screw or paperclip. That's good enough at this size. Considering it costs about the same as a good pizza, it's pretty impressive. Plus, you can even use it as a webcam on your computer. Just watch out. If you're on an older iPhone, you're out of luck until USB-C fully takes over. Number 3. Bosch Universal Inspect. This well-designed camera comes from one of the biggest names in power tools, made for DIY users. The flexible camera wraps neatly around the sturdy main unit. There's a built-in color screen for quick checks. By default, you can store 4 images, but pop in a micro SD card and you get up to 32 gigs more. Just don't go bigger or it might freeze up. The short cord won't reach every corner and the small screen isn't the sharpest, but you get magnetic, hook, and mirror attachments. The short, rugged cable is easier to handle and less likely to bend when you don't want it to. Big, well-spaced buttons and a rubber grip make it simple to use. It's sturdy, practical, and great for quick under-sink fixes or tight spots. Number 4. Depstech WF028-5M. The wireless approach is popular for a reason. It's cheaper and more portable than a full handheld unit, and works with Android and iOS. The WF028 is a solid, affordable example, with everything you really need for light, occasional jobs around the house. It's not ideal for daily work. I'd love to see a slimmer lens and USB-C by now. Compared to the DS500, it's not built for heavy-duty tasks, but for quick checks or retrieving something in a pinch, it works well. Latency? Not as bad as expected. And wireless means less dirt on your phone. A waterproof housing and more accessories would help, but for the price, it does the job. So, which one's best? Our top pick, the Depstech DS500. Unbeatable image quality, excellent versatility. Ready to upgrade your inspections? Check it out and make your projects easier today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you next time.